Hey, so I have just been for a run and now, just down the beach. So now I'm going to have some breakfast. I'm probably going to have some oats that I put, it's like grated cacao in. And then I also have a mame sapote. And today I'm still trying to upload some videos. The internet's going so slow that I can't even get my phone connected to the internet at the moment. But anyway, and it looks like I'm going to be going to it's almost like a lodge, and they do a lot of like cooking classes, and they host a lot of plant-based food. So I'm going to be going there today for lunch, and they're going to be putting on like a 4-course meal, and I'm going to try and see if I can record some of that. So I just got back from the, I guess you could call it like a raw food sort of lodge. The food was absolutely amazing. I got a little bit of footage. They weren't too comfortable on being interviewed, so like that's fine. They each to their own, but it's absolutely wonderful. I really like what they're doing. They're definitely promoting, living a more healthy lifestyle, living more in line with the environment, and being kinder, to animals and to others. So I would recommend going and checking that place out. If you're in Las Terrenas or even just in the Samana province, it's well worth it. And like I had a 4-course meal with unlimited non-alcoholic drinks. There was kefir, there was kombucha. It's absolutely wonderful. They even gave me like a dried SCOBY so I could make my own kombucha. So I might even do that when I get to Jamaica. And they taught me through step by step on how to do that, because making a kombucha from a dried SCOBY is different to I guess the normal process. I'll see what I can do when I get in Jamaica to see if there's some sort of supplies I can get, like a big enough sort of glass, I guess almost like a jar that I could make it in. Trying to edit and upload some videos. We'll see how that goes. The internet has really gotten a lot worse. I don't know why, but anyway, make some dinner later. We'll be looking at maybe booking some flights to another part of our travel. We'll see if we can get that done tonight.